Alright, I heard the doorbell, I saw UPS. That means car parts. G-force. That means this here is our adapter plate. Put the LS on our Z. Finally here. Alright. So I've already started. I started peeling that up and I was like, you know what, let me record this. So I opened this up. I had some decals in here. It said decals for end user only. Some cool little G-force performance products. And then these little guys here, the shimmers. And then over here we got LS to Z33 transmission adapter kit. Pretty excited. So we'll go ahead, open this guy up. Maybe. This is a lot more difficult with one hand. Alright, hold on. Let me see if you guys can get a look. Come on. Don't do this to me. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh, another box. Oh, this is the heavy one. Oh, damn. That's the adapter right there. Okay. Put it down gently. What's this? Ooh. What? Oh, that's the flywheel. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. So here's our actual adapter. There's all the hardware. Oh, look at this. So, looks like our slave adapter. Yep. Pilot bushing for crank. Wow. Hardware. Got flywheel bolts. Alright, awesome. And so this is our actual adapter plate here. Oh, look at that. It's nice and pretty. There we go. Oh, nice and pretty. Wow. Ignore my smiley face pants. Still in jammies. But dude, look at that. That thing is nice. Thick boy, too. And so in here, then would be our flywheel. Man, this thing is heavy. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. Put that back on the ground. So now we have everything we need to bolt up our manual 6-speed transmission from the Z to our LS. Ignore the turbo here. The turbo isn't going to be going on this LS, by the way. Oh, I do have another intake coming. We're getting rid of this truck intake with the drive-by-wire throttle body. We're going to a drive-by cable throttle body with the sheet metal intake. I know if you watch Richard Holdender, they lose horsepower, blah, 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 blah. They lose torque, all this. I don't care. I'm going for, it looks cool, and it's drive-by cable. It was pretty cheap. And if I go turbo, I want that kind of intake because I want to take the torque out of it so it has more top end, because this is just a Gen 3, and I want to make it live. This turbo I got for the G35 here, because the Turbonetics turbo, the seal is going out on it. So I found out that this is pretty much the exact size as the same as the Turbocharger 60 to 1 that I have. It is slightly bigger, but that's okay with me. The only thing is that I found is the bolts on the downpipe here. Those 4 bolts are smaller on the eBay than they are on the Turbonetics. But no big deal. Have to go to Ace Hardware, get some bolts for that guy. But yeah, we got our adapter in. Got to finish making our mounts. Our oil pan should be in soon. Intake should be in soon. We got things rolling. Things finally coming in. Stay tuned, guys. Plenty more to come. We'll get this thing going soon. Look at that. Yeah.
I can sit here doing this all day.
All right. And then moving on to this one down here.
Right here?
Yep.
Oh my.
Yep. You're gonna have to use a lot of strength. Super strong. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Good job.
Why doesn't it want to go on?
Gotta get it on the right angle. If you just doesn't want to go on, you gotta twist it until it does. Find the right spot. There you go. Good job. So again, I'm terrible with YouTube. I have already started here. So we're working on clearancing the block for our adapter plate. The instructions for our adapter plate says that we need to grind down right here in order to make room for a starter. And this freaking guy has been flying around the street up and down all day. Like, he's gonna kill a kid. Freaking idiots, dude. Go out to the compound or something for that. Anywhere. Like, dude, not in a neighborhood. Anyway. Gotta grind this guy off to clearance it for the starter, because the starter hole goes right here. So just per the instructions, I gotta cut off this little guy right there, and it should be easy. So we'll get to that, and I'll pick it back up when we're done. All right, and there it is. Got it notched down, blocked off, knocked off, whatever you wanna say. There we go, got it clearanced. So now our starter can slide right in, and we can go ahead and get our flywheel on there. So already went ahead, pressed in the pilot bearing, so that's already in. All I gotta do is bolt on our new billet flywheel, put on our adapter plate, and should be good to go. Yo, I'm terrible with recording. Welcome back. So, we've already got the flywheel on, we've already got the clutch on, and I didn't record any of it because I suck at YouTube. You could see I have an alignment tool on the floor. We didn't use it. That's for an H22. You see that yellow broom handle? Yeah, that's our alignment tool. So, turns out that with these 350Z clutches, the diameter of this broom handle is exactly the size of these splines here. So you see that? It's like no wiggle room. So we use that to align it, and I'd say we're pretty freaking good. So it might be a little bit off, but I'll deal with that as it comes with having no alignment tool, because there was not one provided with the kit, surprisingly. We have our starter adapter for the small block Chevy. We have a bunch of bolts, which that's probably honestly where the flywheel bolts are. And then we have these guys. I did reuse flywheel bolts because I didn't even bother to open this guy. So let's go ahead and open this guy and see what's in here. That's probably going to be all of our flywheel bolts and stuff. So we'll see.